Welcome to Crystal Retail Suite tutorial videos. In this video, we'll explore the package menu, guiding you through the full cycle, from creating a package, selling it, and finally, how clients can use their purchase services on different dates. We have logged into the Crystal Retail Suite. Now, let's create a package by combining multiple services and offering them at a discounted rate.
Click on New at the top right corner to create a package. Enter a name for your package, and if needed, specify its validity and number of days. You may also add a reference for internal tracking. To include services in the package, select them from the drop-down list, set the quantity, and click the plus icon to add. In some cases, like a bridal package, you might add the same service multiple times. Once you've selected the services and defined their quantities, set the discount you'd like to offer for the package. For example, 25%. You can also add any remarks if needed, and then click Save to complete the package creation. To sell a package to a customer, go to the Package Invoice menu and select the desired package from the list. The associated services will automatically appear. Enter the customer's mobile number and if needed, add a reference num which is optional. Finally, choose the payment mode and click Save to complete the transaction. When a customer visits to redeem services from a purchase package, enter the mobile number used during the sale. The system will display all packages linked to that number. Select the desired package to view the total number of services, along with a breakdown of utilized and remaining services, including dates and the names of staff who provided them. To mark a service as utilized, check the service, select the staff, choose the date from the calendar, and click Save. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.